This module is to train store staff on shop-along maintenance. The objective of this module is to familiarize you with the shop-along and the daily inspections that are necessary to keep them in a safe operating condition. The shop-along attaches to your existing cart and was designed to accommodate the widest possible age range while maximizing shopping capacity that today's modern family needs. It can be used in conjunction with the Safe Dock to accommodate families shopping with car seat carriers. The shop-along was designed to allow families to have seating for up to 3 people. Any combination of baby, toddler, child, or teenager. Without the proper equipment, families are forced into unsafe practices. Kids end up sitting inside the basket or standing on the end of the shopping cart, which is unsafe. Thousands of accidents occur with shopping carts every year, and even the warning on your shopping cart seat flap says not to do this. Unlike traditional kiddie carts, the shop-along allows families to use the full basket and lower tray of the existing shopping cart while allowing a generous space under the seat for more bulky items, increasing basket ring from your most profitable shopper. With its wide bench seat, the shop-along assists customers of all ages, including adults up to 250 pounds, helping families shopping with older kids, elderly parents, and anyone medically disabled or with special needs. Understanding the massive advantages in the design of the shop-along to better accommodate today's modern families over, say, just a simple kiddie cart, helps you make a smarter choice for your customers and your stores. First, inspect and repair the cart that the shop-along is attached to. If the cart needs to be destroyed, remove the shop-along unit first to be applied to another cart in good working condition. If the cart is in good repair, next, inspect the shop-along itself. Check to ensure the warning label is present and fully legible. Visibly inspect that the hydraulic damper is present on the side of the seat. Move the seat back up and down to confirm the spring is working properly and slows the fall of the seat when unnested. Make sure the harnesses are in working order. Fasten and unfasten the buckles. If the buckles do not come apart or they do not go together and hold, replace the harness. Inspect the webbing to make sure it is not frayed. If the webbing is frayed, you will need to replace the harness. If the harness is missing parts or showing damage, it will need to be replaced. Check to make sure the frame is anchored securely to the shopping cart. Also, check to ensure the plastic shop-along base has all 6 bolts present and tight. Visibly inspect the plastic to ensure there are no cracks or protruding areas on the units that may cause injury. Worn, bent, or damaged casters should be replaced to protect floor surfaces. Finally, ensure there are no overall signs of excessive wear, fading, stains, or damage. The shop-along should have a clean and inviting appearance. Be sure to clean as necessary with a mild cleanser. Make sure all cleaning agents have been completely removed from the unit prior to putting it back into service. Parts such as the safety harnesses can be replaced easily. Other repairs may require a higher level of mechanical expertise. Please call 1-800-356-7796 for replacement parts. A shop-along that fails any of these inspection checks or is not installed consistent with SafeStrap Company's shop-along safety inspection instructions should be replaced. To replace the shop-along harness, you will need to remove the old one first. Loosen and remove 1 screw from each of the 5 plates. Slide the old harness off of the plates and discard. There is 1 plate on the underside of the seat. Take a look at the new harness. The long pieces are the shoulder straps, and the single piece is the crotch strap. The buckle should have the words SafeStrap facing towards the shopping cart. Insert the loop of the new belt under the plate. Tighten and replace the screw. You may have to slightly loosen the screw holding the plate. If you do, make sure you tighten it. Repeat for the rest of the plates. Don't forget the one on the underside of the seat. Now repeat for the other side of the shop-along. The final installation should look like this. To replace the shop-along hydraulic damper, unless it's missing, You will need to remove the old one first. Begin by removing the anchor bolt at the top of the gas spring with a Phillips screwdriver and a 7/16 wrench. To remove the gas spring off the pivot nipple, slide a fine, flat screwdriver under the plastic clip like this. This lifts the clip off the nipple for easy removal. Install the new gas spring by inserting the bolt through the bracket, then a nylon washer, followed by the rod end of the gas spring, then a second washer, and secure with a nut using a 7/16 wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. Replace the old nipple with the new one provided in the kit by using a 5/16 wrench. Raise the seat until the bottom of the gas spring is aligned with the pivot nipple. The bottom of the gas spring will snap into place over the pivot nipple with a firm push. The final installation should look like this. To replace the shop-along base bolts, look for any missing or loose bolts. There should be a total of 6 bolts installed. If any are missing, replace by using a Phillips screwdriver or drill bit. Over-tightening might break the black plastic washer, so use caution. The final installation should look like this. Once done with your inspection, please keep shop-along carts accessible and visible at each entrance of your store. Carts with shop-along should be available to parents with just one pull. Most retailers provide shop-along on at least 2% of their carts. Should the amount fall below this, please take action to restore to recommended levels. For further information about the shop-along and other safety equipment for the retail environment, visit www.safestrap.com.